Our today's topic is subject and predicate. కొంతమందికి అర్థం అవడం కోసం తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తాను. అందువలన ఈ టైటిల్ ని తెలుగులో కూడా ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే కర్త అని, ప్రెడికేట్ అంటే చేసిన పనిని తెలిపేది అని, లేదా ఏ పని అయితే కర్త చేస్తున్నాడో ఆ చేసిన పని అని మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఈ టాపిక్ గురించి మరింత వివరంగా తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం ముందుకు వెళ్దాం. How many alphabets are there in English, children? We know there are 26 alphabets. And with the help of these 26 alphabets, we try to build up many words. With the help of these alphabets, we can write 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and like that. We can write so many words. So here are a list of 2 and 3-letter words. I know you can prepare many words, isn't it? Look at this slide, students. Just we will try to read these sentences. Is today it cold? Very. Very good. You have identified that these statements are in a jumbled way. Okay? So let us try to set the words in a proper order. Why should we do that? We do that to get a proper meaning. So coming to the first sentence, the correct sentence is, it is very cold today. Very good. Try to do even the other two sentences. Under is cat, the table, the. Very good. The cat is under the table. And even the third sentence is the same. My mother is a teacher. Very good. And if we write the words as we like, we do not get correct meaning. But once they are arranged in proper order, they give, yes, the meaning that we want to convey. So such type of meaningful statements are called sentences. Sentences are made up of words. Just now we have seen. And when they are set in proper order, they make meaningful sentences. Here are some of the meaningful sentences given for us. I have given you 5 sentences. Lions roar in the forest. Peter stood first in the test. Dogs chase the cats. The teacher taught us a new lesson. Rama was exiled for 14 years. Here, I have given you the first sentence in detail. Lions roar in the forest. And you can see I have divided this particular sentence into 2 parts. Lions and the remaining part of the sentence, roar in the forest, in a separate box. In the same way, I have divided all these 5 sentences into 2 parts. So let us see each part in detail. Let us observe all these 5 sentences in detail. Here in sentence 1, what are we talking about? We are talking about the lions. In the second sentence too, what are we talking about? We are talking about Peter. And in sentence 3, we are talking about the dogs. In sentence 4, we talk about the teacher. And in the last sentence too, we see that we talk about Rama. What did you observe from all these sentences, students? We observe that there is an action doer in all these 5 sentences. The person who does the action, or about whom or which something is said, is nothing but the subject. Subject ante karta ani manaku telusu. So let us go to the definition once. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that does the action or about which something is said. Noun or pronoun ante emto vivaranga telusukundam. So can you give me what is the subject of this particular sentence? Lions roar in the forest. Lions. Very good. Noun. Noun means naming words. Nama vachakamu. Telugulo. Here are some of the examples of the naming words. Names of persons, names of places, names of animals, things, etc. Pronoun. Sarvanamamu. Pronoun means the words which are used instead of nouns. పదే పదే నామవాచకాన్ని వాడకుండా నామవాచకానికి బదులుగా వాడబడేటువంటి కొన్ని పదాలు వాటిని సర్వనామం అని కూడా అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ, యు, హీ, షీ, ఇట్, దే, వి, and there are so many other words. I have given you a list here. Take a note of them. Now that we know about the subject, noun and pronoun, let us get into the second part of these sentences. So in each sentence, we see the noun as the subject. What is the remaining part of the sentence? మిగిలిన భాగం ఏమిటై ఉంటది? ఆ లైన్స్ గురించి మనం ఏమైతే మాట్లాడుతున్నామో ఆ విషయము అక్కడ రెండవ భాగంలో చూస్తున్నాం. We say that the lions roar in the forest. అది మొదటి వాక్యం. రెండవ వాక్యంలో we say Peter stood first in the test. పీటర్ క్లాస్లో మొదటగా నిలబడ్డాడు. Then third sentence, what do we say about the dogs? We say that the dogs chase the cats. So we understand that the second part of the sentence is that which we talk about the subject. This affirms or predicates something about the subject in each sentence. And that is why we say it is the predicate of the sentence. Till now, we understood that each sentence has a subject and a predicate. ప్రతి వాక్యానికి ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే కర్త, అలాగనే ఒక ప్రెడికేట్ పని చేసేది, ఏమి పని చేస్తుంది అనే విషయం మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం ఉంటుందని. అయితే సబ్జెక్ట్ ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం ఎలా? హౌ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ఆర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ ఎ సెంటెన్స్? WH క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తే వచ్చే జవాబే సబ్జెక్ట్ అని మనం ఈజీగా గుర్తుపట్టొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, హూ చేజెస్ ద క్యాట్స్? జవాబు డాగ్స్. డాగ్స్ చేజెస్ ద క్యాట్స్. సో ఏదైతే జవాబుగా మనం చెప్పుకున్నామో డాగ్స్, ద డాగ్స్ హియర్ స్టాండ్స్ యాజ్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్. Dogs is the noun. Here in these sentences, let us get the answers by asking few questions. Who roars in the forest? Lion. Lion is the subject. Who stood first in the test? Test lo evaru first vacharu? Peter. Peter subject. Who taught the new lesson? Evaru kotta పాఠాన్ని నేర్పించారు? ఆ జవాబే subject. The teacher. So ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతున్నాం కదా సబ్జెక్ట్ ని. Here I have given you a small table. Try to match these sentences. A small exercise for you to brush up what you have learned till now. చేయగలుగుతారు కదమ్మా పిల్లలు? Yes. చేయండి. Students, I have provided you the answers here. Very good. So did you all follow the lesson carefully? And let us go with another topic next time. Thank you.